Staging Romel, please go to the registration area. Staging Romel, so that you can prepare for the
Ayaw lagi dua eh.
Echo, Echo.
Nah, daan pa ko, kwa! 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 King na lagi ka mo, ay lagi na duwa yung bula. Diri ka. Diri mo, diri. King na lagi ba, ay lagi na duwa yung bula. Siya, ni kay Baten!
Next game is number 1 for the third place, U13, UP Cebu versus Legacy FC. Next game, pitch number 1 for third, UP Cebu versus Legacy FC. Pitch number 1. For pitch number 2, U11 Group B, Cebu United Team B versus Makati FC Team B. Pitch number 2. Next game, Cebu United Team B versus Makati FC Team B. For pitch number 3, San Carlos School of Cebu versus Batu Spartans. Pitch 3, San Carlos School of Cebu versus Batu Spartans. For pitch number 4, U13 Finals, HP 95 versus Cebu United Team B. HP 95 versus Cebu United Team B. Finals, pitch number 4, U13 mix.
Ano mo diri? Ask Kevin. Dali ito. Pasilong na ako, pasilong. Luyo. Sunod ka itong tao, ta? Oh, kuha, kontak ka. Ayaw takyan. Po, Kalel, ngano na ama ka sa wing, Kalel? Na, very good. Na, ano ba? Very good. Nice one. Sige. Ah, very good. Oy, patay ka dia. Siyan! Wala mo midfielder, Siyan!
Diver na siya na, diver. Use dive.
Saka! Sab! Saka na yun! Okay na! Kontak! Nice one! Balik na yun, Sab! Quato Stino. Stino, dali.
Milan!
Tino, stay your position. Sagasa lang ka mabot. Kuwata taon si Portino. Oh, si Portino ba? Ang striker.
Once again, Cebu 7 Aside Football Warriors Cup would like to thank our sponsors, Inuni, Converge, Promise, RP Perfume, Page Stickers, The Lemon Club, Anjo World, Theme Park, KM Creations, and the Philippines. Thank you for your support.
Dong kayo na duaya mula dong be kay Dire mula be.
Calling out boys 18 players who would like to join the juggling contest. While waiting for your game, you may proceed to the registration area. One winner will receive a decathlon ball if you will get the highest juggle. Calling out boys 18 and the rest of the players who would like to get a decathlon ball, please proceed to the registration area for juggling contest. Thank you.
Kuha si Portino. Si Portino ang striker, kuha dali. Ato siya. Unya na. Striker ka. Oh, goal! Istam. Atot wala mag-goal. Sige lang port. Unya na. O ka na. Port, sulod. Kuha port, paway sa port. Sayang. Kapit na poste. Mo gani, paway, balik ito doon. O dala, kuha dala. Diskarte gyud. Na, very good. Ana gyud. Very good. Okay na. Port, balik ito taon, port na, paway. Port! Anton, abon! Dali! Very good, okay.
So next game, Cebu United Team B versus Makati Team B. Pitch 2, Cebu United Team B and Makati Team B.
Very good. Sige.
Control. Support dyan. Out sila.
Port. Sulod. Kuasi, kwan. Oo, siya. Kevin! Striker ka! Kevin! Ball throw. Waport!
Kuntiran! 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 Down! 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 Down!
Game pitch number 1. U13 for third place. UPC Po versus Legacy FC. UPC Po versus Legacy FC. For pitch number 4, U13 finals. Next game. HP 95 versus Cebu United Team B. HP 95 versus Cebu United Team B.
Okay na ka?
Number
Ali?
2, next game. MJ United Team A versus Sugbo Calidad. Next game, pitch number 2, U11 Group B. MJ United Team A versus Sugbo Calidad. For pitch number 3,
Kevin! Kuas Kevin!
U11
Kuas Kevin!
Group C.
Paway sa...
Ateneo de Sigor, Maggi Sigor versus Vicente FC. Ateneo de Sigor, Maggi Sigor versus Vicente FC. We have results for bracket A, mix 11. Top 1 is Brooks FC Davao. And top 2 is Ateneo de Sigor, Rox Orient. Again, the top 2 teams for Group B, mix 11. Top 1 is Brooks FC Davao. And top 2 is Ateneo de Sigor, Rox Orient.
Ah, very good. Ana ba? Skarte. Nice one. Pasa na. Ato na oh.
Ngayon po sa referee sa pitch for
Sab, kanawang goal. Layo kayo. Gaduko ka. Gaduko kang patid. Gaduko. Tanawa ang goal. Tanawa una ang goal ba? Gaduko ka. Kevin, sulod.
staging during photographer, please stand to pitch short for the championship game. Staging for the visual photographer, please stand to the pitch short.
Nice one! Usalang, usalang! Cross! Cross! Cross na! Ay, pastilan! Wala ka ka-cross? O gawata si Kalelo? Sayang. Ay, bugoy good. Nice one. Head, head, head!